Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of cluttered walls and lost invitations? I just discovered the digital calendar by Flyfish, and it's a total game changer. This 27-inch electronic wall calendar is not just a pretty face, it's also incredibly smart and easy to use. With its HD quality touchscreen, you can assign colors, add tasks, and plan events with ease, making it perfect for families to stay organized. The smart digital calendar feature is so intuitive, you'll be assigning chores and planning playdates in no time, and the touchscreen is so responsive, it feels like you're swiping through your favorite tablet. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The easy setup and instant sync feature is a huge time saver. Just plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're good to go. It works seamlessly with all your favorite calendar apps. The weather forecasting feature is also super handy. You'll get precise forecasts for the next 3 days, so you can plan your outings and events with confidence. And the screen will even go to sleep and wake up at the same time every day, so you don't have to worry about it being on all night. I love that you can choose to wall mount or desk mount it. The sleek design looks great in any room, and it's so easy to use, you'll wonder how you ever manage without it. Whether you're a busy professional or a parent trying to keep track of multiple schedules, this digital calendar is a must-have. It's so much better than traditional paper calendars, which can get cluttered and lost, and it's more convenient than using your phone, which can be distracting. Overall, I'm so impressed with the digital calendar by Flyfish. It's a great investment for anyone looking to stay organized and on top of their schedule, so why not give it a try and see the difference it can make in your life? If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.